Today I will explain the topic map and globe. In part 1, I will explain the continents, oceans, shape of the earth and globe. So let's start with the continents. In our solar system, the earth is the only planet that supports life as it has air, water and moderate temperature which is needed by all living beings to survive on it. It is made up of large land masses and huge water bodies. So what are continents? The large land masses on the earth are called continents. There are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Europe and Antarctica. Among these 7 continents, Asia is the largest continent on the earth, whereas Australia is the smallest continent on the earth. Now, what are oceans? The huge water bodies on the earth are called oceans. There are 5 oceans on the earth. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean is also known as the Southern Ocean as it lies in the southern hemisphere towards the South Pole. Now come to the shape of the earth. The earth is spherical in shape. But long ago, people believed that the earth was flat and they would fall off if they travelled to its edges. But a Portuguese explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, and some other astronomers like Copernicus proved that the earth was not flat. When the images taken from the space, it also proved that the earth is spherical in shape. Now I explain about the globe. What is a globe? A globe is a spherical model of the earth. You look at here, it is the model of the earth. It is called globe. It is useful to study different places on the earth. There are many advantages of a globe that I explain. First of all, it represents the earth in a simple and accurate way. It shows us the position of land and water. It gives us an idea about the location of different continents, oceans and countries on the earth. It helps us to know about and understand the movements of the earth. It also helps us to understand how the earth looks like. Though there are many advantages of a globe, but it has some disadvantages also. So what are the disadvantages of a globe? I explain. First, it shows only one side of the earth at a time. We cannot see all the places of the earth at the same time on the globe. For this, we rotate or turn the globe around. It cannot be easily carried from one place to another. Moreover, it cannot show small places like city or a village or neighborhood or market areas. As it has a space limitation, so it cannot show the details clearly. So with this, part 1 gets over. We will meet in the part 2 and I will continue the topic. Thank you.